How to log into Instagram without phone number. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I will teach you how you can log in into your Instagram without your phone number. So without any further ado, let's jump right into it. First step, make sure you're connected to the internet and that your Instagram app is up to date to the latest version. If that's the case, locate your app and then open it up. After you open it up, here you will see the place where you can type in your mobile number, but instead of mobile number, what you can type in is your username or email address. So you can type in your email address and or your username and simply type in your password. You don't have to use your mobile number for that. After that, simply type in your password and then tap on the login button. And you'll get logged in into your account. And it's that simple. Thanks for watching guys. Stay tuned for more. If you're new here, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified whenever we release a new video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye and take care.